In this video, I'll be showing you the fastest way to fix most printing issues in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you're having problems with your printer just not printing, or perhaps your printer queue is just getting full and none of your documents or nothing is coming out of the printer, or perhaps it says that the printer spooler is frozen. If you're having any of these issues or other printing issues, then this is the fastest way of resolving the problem. Just keep in mind though, by doing the method that I'm about to show you will clear the printer queue. So you will need to reprint whatever it was you were trying to print, as it will no longer be in the printer list. So the first thing that you need to do is open up the start menu, and you then need to type in services. You now need to open up services. Once open, you need to select the list, and you then need to press P on your keyboard, or just scroll down until you come across print spooler. Once you've found this, you need to right click on this service and you then need to go restart. This is now going to restart the print spooler service. So this service is used to print your jobs on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So sometimes this service can run into issues which will prevent your printer from being able to print. So by restarting this service can resolve many printing issues, and it's also a lot faster than having to restart Windows or run a troubleshoot or something like that, which will end up just restarting the print spooler service anyway to resolve the printing issue. So now that the service has finished printing, you can now go ahead and print again, and that should have resolved the issue. So I will also pop a link in the description below to a link to our website, which we have done a guide on how to resolve many printing issues. So if this didn't help resolve the printing issue that you're having, then check out that guide, as there may be a method in it that will help you out. So I hope this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, click the like button below, and if you'd like to see more computer sluggish videos, then click that subscribe button. If you do subscribe, then I will see you in the next video.